So we've got the van, it's brilliant, German import, but because of that, all the plugs, the 240 sockets are European pattern, not UK. Well, that's not good. That's got to change. I'm Barry. This is Carry On Motorhome. Right. Once those covers have popped off, we can just take out these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pulled the unit out, and live and neutral was screwed in the back there. There we go. So that's the European. It's foreign. And I need to replace them. Can you see inside there? It says Burka. So I wonder if I can actually get exactly the right unit that'll fit straight back in for the UK. To the internet. Right, here's the old death left site, because I cannot find 3 240 volt sockets in the van. I don't think there's any more, but I thought we'll just have a check. Here we go. Vehicle data, blah blah blah, interior equipment. Here we go. Power outlets, 230 volt, 3. Yeah, that matches what I've got. Sorted. Let's order them. And a quick search on the internet has found these guys, Furno Rudal, and they do bigger sockets. That looks good. And they have all sorts. UK is one after. Here we go. Brown, white, or anthracite. I was a brown. 3 of them, I think. Thank you very much. So here we go. Here's the UK unit screwed in. Just got the wires in the back there. Went straight into exactly the same holes. Absolutely perfect. Of course, what I've done is ordered the wrong colour. I was convinced they were brown, so I didn't even bother to check it when I ordered them. Idiot. However, when I snap these covers back on, no one need ever know. Absolute buffoon. Alright, snap these on. There we go. That looks fine. Yeah, wrong colour. Never mind, when anything's plugged in you won't be able to see it. So what the eye doesn't see, the idiot gets away with. Right, so let's plug the lecky back in to the van. I switched it off, but I also unplugged it as well, just for belt and braces. And we're talking about certain death. There we go. Power on. Let's try it again. So I just use a little polarity tester sort of thing for when you get to the campsite in abroad. Here we go. And 3 lights, brilliant. What we like to call the lights of certain death. However, that it's all connected up now. Polarity's correct. Everything's happy. Brilliant. Done. So there we go, 3 sockets, 1, 2, and this one here. 3 all done. They all match, wrong colours. Actually, because they all match, I could say they're supposed to be like that. Some sort of weird Teutonic styling. Yeah, let's do that. So there we go. 3 plug sockets replaced, all UK style 240 volt. Absolutely brilliant. That makes life a bit easier. Only works on hookup. We haven't got a transformer, but that's fine. That's it. If you think this is any good, subscribing would be fantastic. Leave a comment. If you saw us do something wrong, for God's sake, tell us. It's only going to get worse. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Oh, there's one thing I want to show you about this van, which is absolutely fantastic. Follow me. Now, lots of vans have garages. This one has the mother of all garages. Check this out. Hey. Look at it. It's absolutely monstrous. You can get quite a few push bikes in here, no problem at all. It's even got a little light. There we go. Oh, crikey, that's bright. And ducted heat then comes in there as well, so it keeps warm. And no. There we go. After all that, I only went and missed one. Even said on the internet there was only 3 in this van. Never mind. So maybe I'll have to go onto the interwebs and order another socket. If I do, I'll probably get some new back boxes because they don't quite fit on these ones, but you know, it's alright. Anyway, there it goes. Another job. See you next time, guys.